Tactile finishes, bold imagery, premium branding. Yes, please. Today, we're going to take a look at a few of our favorite products from a marketing perspective. My name is Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager, and this is Nosco Unpacked. Okay, we're going to get Adria McGinn on the line with us. She's in our marketing group. She's our lead designer and comes to Nosco with 15 years experience in graphic design. And earlier this week, I sent her all of these packages that we have on display. She's going to run through them with us.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Adria. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing great. Did you get the package I sent you?
I sure did. Thank you very much.
Excellent, excellent. So let's take a look at some of these and kind of give us your thoughts and take on the branding, the tactile finishes, things like that. What product would you like to start with?
Let's start with the pet treats.
Pet treats. All right.
All right. So looking at this product, it has a very neutral feel, which gives me an impression that it's more of like a natural product. They did a great job of reducing the color count, choosing the correct fonts to really give it that natural feel. I like the fact that it's on a craft paper application and that you can see the product through the window.
Those are some really great points, Adria. It does seem that many of our clients lean towards a more natural-looking package. What product do you want to go to next?
Let's go to the next stand-up pouch, the licorice. I love this packaging. You know, I'm one of those people who will grab something off the shelf because of the packaging and buy it. This was one of those items, a different flavor. But I really like the use of their color palette. What I like about this packaging is there's a strong contrast between the high gloss finish over the product against the soft touch matte on the background. And then if you look closely, you can see the metallic coming through.
Yeah, so this is a really cool technology where they utilize a white ink that they lay down in areas that they don't want the metallic effect to show through. And then in areas that they want that subtle metallic to come through, they keep the white away from that location and they just allow the color and the substrate or the metal from the substrate to shine through.
This is by far one of my favorite products on the table.
Well, I'm glad you like this pouch. I do as well. Next time I'll make sure to send you the flavor that you really like.
Steve, let's move on to the facial mask.
I like this one.
Me too. One of the things that really stood out with this packaging was the use of the metallic hummingbird, their logo. I feel this was a great contrast against the subtle background. You have more of a pastel color palette, but that metallic sheen from the logo really gives it a high-end look.
Yeah, this is another example where the brand is utilizing that dramatic contrast from a soft touch finish and the really high glossy sheen of a metallic effect. Unlike the previous pouch, this is actually being foil stamped onto the material, so you get a really nice fine detail. Again, to your point, that premium pop of that hummingbird is just fantastic. All right, we got one product left, the Dude Wipes. This one's going to be fun. What do you think about the Dude Wipes?
They clearly were targeting a very specific demographic with this one.
I think so.
These stood out with the color palette. You've got black packaging, and it's soft touch with that high gloss label on the lid. If you walk down the aisle, the toiletries aisle in the grocery store, this one will definitely pop out.
I will tell you, when we were picking up these products, it basically jumped in the cart.
I can see why, Steve. This color sure does pop out against all the other products.
Yeah, so just like all the other pouches that we have here, another great use of these high-end tactile finishes, gloss, contrast to matte. Dude Wipes is doing it as well. This is something we're seeing common within the industry. Adria, thanks so much for joining us and offering your expertise from a marketing perspective.
Thanks for having me, Steve.
Be sure to join us next time. And as always, like and subscribe. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging made easy. See you next time.